every alarm clock today because I'm testing every alarm clock in the world. So first, I know this is a very good alarm clock. Now, and I get to go open and I get home. And then we can test what it is when I eat and see if this works. So come on, get trash that. So, so I need to imagine I'm eating and then remind your name eating time, eating time, eat, eating time. And then when I get to need to throw that down. Yeah. And naturally, like less than a minute, uh, we could choose a wait. This guy for today. Okay, they say it. Come on. They say it was a minute. You hear that sound? You hear that sound? Yeah. Uh, now, if you want to see the clock, you can change. Okay. What is that? Is a clock. Mm-hmm. Turn it back up. Shut. Stop. And if I want to choose, please stop at choose. 40, 456, 454, 454. But if I want to down to choose, we start it at 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Uh, start. Then, I forgot that was. What? Sorry. Let's see how fast I could say to 125. What's it? 30. And you did hurt me. Look. 124. Let's see how fast I could switch my head and do this. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 3. I got it set up. 3, 2. I didn't even stop it, bruh. Stop. 3, 2, 1, go. Bruh, I didn't even. 3, 3, 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds. 10. 0 seconds. 0 seconds. Bruh, that was fast. Look. Brother, even stop it. Wait. No! Bruh, I'm sure it's really. Let's see. Ooh! Bruh, I see 10 seconds. World record. World record. Now, how about I can say to 10? Stop it up! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how fast can my mom say? Yes. Yes. 10 seconds, bro. You don't believe me? Watch. Don't believe me, bro. Don't believe me. Okay. And this gonna be a short video, so I'm just testing if this works to y'all. And that was all this video. You want to see more messages, bye bye.